So we're now out of the solder resist area, and the question now, kind of the final step, or one of the final steps, is finishing. So Steve, over to you. Tell us all about how Soluboard can be finished.
Okay, so finishing, we're talking about final finishes here, solderable finishes. There are many finishes in circuit board industry, ranging from hot air leveling, which can be either a tin lead hot air level or a lead-free hot air level. Then there's gold, immersion gold, hard gold, OSP, silvers. All of these final finishes are what these guys at Ghana have to cope with. Now, some of those processes are not compatible with Soluboard. So one of our problems as a barrier to entry for Soluboard is reluctance for people to switch their final finishing. So hot air level and immersion gold are the default finishes for most circuit boards. Those two finishes are currently not compatible with Soluboard. We are encouraging people to use either OSP or silver, immersion silver. Everything we do here at Ghana Osborne is done by immersion silver. Which isn't probably only about 6% of the world's PCBs are on immersion silver. So that is one of the areas we're working on at the moment. We are working with other customers at the moment. So there's a new gold finish in the market called Lilo Tree. Lilo Tree we are compatible with. That's a nickel-free gold finish. So that's something also we're going to be talking to Ghana about in the future. So the final finishes, we can't show you that today because the silver line is not running and hot air leveling isn't one of the compatible processes. So we're not going to visit that today.
Well, thanks for that. We're ourselves at Sustainable Engineering. We're keeping an eye on Lilo Tree and that technology, which is kind of running in parallel with this. So hopefully we'll come back to you guys in the lab and see when you can deploy that.